Hi everyone. In our previous videos and our blog post, we hinted at the idea that MCPs could deliver a functionality similar to what the App Store did. So just like today, every company wants to have their app on everyone's iPhone. In a similar way, in the future, companies might want to have their MCP that anyone would be able to plug into their Claude Desktop, ChatGPT, or any other AI app. Those could be very useful in promoting the company's content, but also promoting their products as a simple e-commerce offering. In this video, I wanted to show you how I can easily create e-commerce-like bots on the Quickchat AI platform, connect them to Claude Desktop, and see how Claude can recommend me products by sending messages back and forth with three different Quickchat AI entities recommending products in their specific niches. So let's get started. And to start with, here is on the left, here is the QuickChat dashboard where I created three fake e-commerce bots for three fake brands selling used phones, which are Blinkberry, GearHive, and Velara Tech. For each one of them, I created a fake list of products and their features and their prices. And let's see how I will be able to connect each one of them to Claude Desktop. So in the Quickchat dashboard, let's go to the MCP tab. It's already enabled, and I put a simple name, description, and command in the MCP on the MCP page. It's usually a good idea to also define a custom command because it helps Claude better figure out how to contact which AI and under what circumstances. So now let's go to integration. I already disabled the API key requirement. So now all you need to start talking to this bot is its scenario ID, which sits here or in the URL. Now, there's one prerequisite. In order to be able to start using MCPs with Claude, you need to install UV, the package manager, which you do by simply pasting this command into your command line. You can read more about the installation here. I will put the link in the description. But actually, all you need afterwards is to copy this configuration for the bot, which is very short, as you can see, and copy it into the Claude Desktop config. So where do we find the config? Here, if you're Claude, you go to Claude Settings, Developer, and you click on Edit Config. It shows you where your Claude Desktop config JSON file lives, and you can open it with any text editor to see what's inside. So as you can see, I already copied this simple snippet for each of the three bots, and it only differs by the bot's name and its scenario IDs. So I've got all three connected now. And if I go to Claude, you can see that it's aware of the existence of these three MCPs. Each one of them has their custom command, their custom description, and also the custom bot name. So now if I were to start my conversation with Claude, it will be aware of these three used phone experts that it can send messages to on my behalf to try and help me with my purchases. So let's now start a conversation with Claude and see how this goes. Let me start with just saying, help me find a cheap phone to buy. That will be my first message. And here, as you can see, Claude asks me some additional questions. So let me say, I'm okay with a used phone. I like taking pictures and wouldn't want to spend more than $200. Let's send him that. And here, as you can see, Claude already figures out that it's a good time to ask one of its used phone e-commerce experts a specific question. The first one it goes to is the Blinkberry one. So I'm going to allow for this chat. And we can go to the QuickChat inbox already to see that message in action. We can see it's a new conversation with Claude. And it said, I need a used phone with a good camera quality for under $200. So you can see that it already picked up on the stuff that I'm looking for, the camera, the price, and that's the message it sent to the QuickChat bot. That's the response it got. But Claude keeps on looking, and now it's asking the Velara Tech expert. So I'm going to allow for this chat as well. We can go to the Velara Tech expert straight away. and see what that chat looks like. Here it was the same question, but as you can see, based on the knowledge base, there was nothing under $200. There's only the Prism Edge at 475. And now Claude asks the final question to the Gear Hive expert. I'm going to allow for that one as well. And let's see what that conversation looks like here. Again, no phones under, no high camera quality phones under 200. Their selection starts at 280. So those are the three messages that we know Claude Desktop got from the three AIs. We can see summaries of those here in the Claude chat log, and here is the Claude sort of summarizing what it's found. And as expected, it says the only phone that can actually recommend that fits my criteria is the BlinkBerry Trail Snap for 145, which is supposed to have a good camera and which is supposed to be within my price range. Thank you for watching. That was a quick demo of interacting with a number of e-commerce experts, all plugged into Claude Desktop via MCP. Feel free to check out the Quickchat platform, how you can set up one for yourself and connect to Claude Desktop as well. Thank you.